guys, here's another Twitch integration that you can use. It's called Twitch Item Flood. With this integration, people can flood your screen with lots and lots of food until your screen gets flooded. See? Hello, you can't see me. Now, let's get to the good part. Now, in order to get this program, we are going to go to the website that I will be listing down below. And after that, you're going to click download now. Once you click the download now, you will see that it will give you choices on what to download. You should download Twitch Item Flood, and I would recommend downloading Frog Item Profile because you could switch between the food flood and the frog flood, and you could also add your own images to make your own type of flood, which I will show you later. Once you downloaded the application, then this is how it's going to look. Of course, you always have to authorize the program to your Twitch in order for it to work together. Okay, so as you can see, once you click the gear icon, it says redeem names. So these are the names that you have to put into your Twitch channel point. It has to be named exactly the same in order for people can play it on your channel. So spawn single item, it will spawn one item. Spawn large item, it will spawn a large item. Spawn item food, you get the idea. And then also you could have a clear item, so if your screen gets too full, like it's happening on mine right now, people will redeem the clear item and your screen will be wiped out. There's also chat commands if you want to add it to it, like, you know, exclamation single item, exclamation large item. That way they don't have to use the channel point. It's up to you, whatever you like to do. As you can see, there is a lot of settings to go through, so I would advise to look at everything and just choose your liking, whatever you would like to pick. And here, as you can see, item profile, if you downloaded the Froggy, you could always change it. And then always make sure to hit the save button so the item flood would change. As you can see right now, I had food and it's going to change to frogs. See, there you go. If you click on the next one, this is the image import button. So here are all the images that the program has already. Right now I'm the frog profile, so it's going to show all the frogs. You could also upload your own image. I will upload one of my emotes to show you as an example. See, and you can make your own type of flood. Also, you could put sounds. It has different sounds and you could test it out. I would recommend put one emote as a sound, or you could do it however you like, just because imagine all these dropping and all of them have different sounds. Gonna go like blah, 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 blah. You know, it might be too loud when you're streaming, but again, you do what you like. And when you're done at looking at the setting and everything, in order to close the setting, click on the 3 menu line dot, and then click on the screen, double tap, and then see, your screen disappears. So then you're ready for streaming. Now, I know you're all going to ask this, how do we put it on OBS? And I'll tell you how. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is add a source. Once you add a source, we're going to click Game Capture. Then we're going to call it Item Flood, or you can call it whatever you like to call it. Then hit OK. So in the mode, we are going to change to specific window. A specific window, we're going to click Twitch Item Flood. Make sure that your Twitch Item Flood program is open and running in the background. If it's not, it will not work. Once you do that, make sure to click Allow Transparency. That way it will show whatever you're streaming in the background. And then at least I don't like to show my cursor when I'm streaming. I don't see the need to it. So we uncheck it and then click OK. The flood is working. We are going to spawn the flood, and it is working. Yay! I hope you find this helpful. If you want more tips, follow, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. and see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.